Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Unbox and Review. I received this parcel from Bagallery last night and I will be unboxing it today. Let's see what's inside. Let's unbox. I think these are the free samples given by Bagallery.com. Uh, this is Fit Me Maybelline foundation and the code is 120 Classic Ivory. This is the small pouch of 100 rupees that I ordered, and this is a NYX lipstick. It's soft matte and code is 04. It's actually nude, and when I applied it on my hand it was quite dark, but होठ पे लगाने के बाद it was not that pigmented. Okay, so this is the shampoo pouches, and let's see, these are Tresemme shampoo. Thank you Bagallery for this small gift. So these are the products that I ordered from Bagallery when 50% sale was going on their website, and the products are original, and this Tresemme is a gift from them. Thank you. Thanks for watching.